Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today we're making fresh tomato salsa. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the channel icon down below. I would love to share my weekly cooking experience with you. Here's the list of ingredients for the dish. The recipe can also be found in the description field. The main ingredients of today's are a jalapeno pepper, tomato, sweet onion, avocado, and lime. And I added some cherry tomato as well because the taste is slightly different. I only need half of the onion. We're gonna slice them first and then chop them into smaller pieces. The trick here is to make sure the cubes are very small. It's kind of like 1 to 2 millimeter cubes. If they're too big, then the salsa is not going to taste very good because you want one scoop to have all of the ingredients in there. And however, I also realize if you make it too small, then it doesn't taste good either. And this is a little bit trick to show you how to cut the avocado. First, cut it into half, twist it, use a spoon to push to the bottom until you totally touch the bottom and just scoop it off. Beautiful. Then put the next half on the board and just use the knife to cut into the core. Take it out and use the spoon to chop it off again. The trick is you have to push the spoon to the bottom, touch the skin. How beautiful. And we're gonna chop the avocado. I'm using a small avocado. And then also chop them into smaller cubes. If the cubes are too long, just push it down and then chop it again. And we're going to chop the tomato. Same technique. One trick to cut tomato is try not to squeeze it when you cut. Don't pressure the knife. Instead, you zig it and you push it back and forth. This way, it's gonna slice the tomato, so you don't lose the juice. That's the trick. And we're gonna cut the cherry tomato into smaller pieces as well. Typically, salsa is really good to eat in summer, but I also found it's pretty fresh to eat any season. And now we're going to chop the jalapeno. We're going to remove the membrane. If you like it to be spicy, you don't have to clean it too thoroughly like what I do. But I like spicy taste, but I don't like it to be too strong. So I always clean the membrane very thoroughly, and then I'll slice it and then chop it into smaller cubes. And then we're gonna chop some of the flat leaf parsley. I have to say this is not a typical Mexican taste salsa. It's more of a Chinese Mexican fusion salsa, my own recipe. And then I chopped a little bit scallion and use half of the lime, squeeze the juice out. The smell is so nice, so fresh and so nice. Even make me happy. Add some salt. And then some brown sugar to balance the sourness from the lime juice. Mix it well. And it's ready. Add your favorite chip. Just enjoy. I like to eat the salsa under the sunshine for some reason. And make me really lift my mood. Well, so good to have you. Hope you check out the other videos in my channel. See you next time.